Can artificial intelligence help rebuild a world shattered by conflict? Ponder on that for a moment. Now let's delve into the concept of using AI in post-conflict damage assessment and reconstruction. Traditionally, the assessment of damage caused by conflict has been a manual, labor-intensive process. Experts would comb through satellite images, painstakingly identifying damaged buildings, roads, and infrastructure. This method, while effective, has its limitations. It's time-consuming, requires significant expertise, and is subject to human error. Enter artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns, presents a revolutionary solution to these challenges. It can automate the damage assessment process, making it quicker, more accurate, and cost-effective. AI models can be trained to identify signs of damage in satellite images, allowing for a comprehensive and precise evaluation of the destruction caused by conflict. Artificial intelligence has the potential to accelerate and streamline post-conflict recovery, but how does it work in practice? Imagine the devastated landscapes of Syria, a country torn apart by a decade-long civil war. The aftermath of such conflict is a daunting challenge for any nation to overcome. But thanks to artificial intelligence, the task of post-conflict recovery has been revolutionized. In Syria, AI has been instrumental in damage assessment and reconstruction planning. Now you might wonder, how exactly does AI aid in these processes? Let's delve a little deeper. AI algorithms, when combined with satellite imaging, create a powerful tool for assessing the extent of the damage. These advanced systems scrutinize satellite images, identifying and classifying the damaged structures. They distinguish between completely destroyed buildings, partially damaged ones, and those that remain intact. This meticulous analysis, which would take humans months to complete, is done by AI in a matter of days or even hours. But the role of AI doesn't stop there. Beyond assessing damage, these technologies also help prioritize reconstruction efforts.